What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I want to bring you guys along with me as I go sneaker shopping over at the Secret Shop in Greenhills. I'll also be showing you how to actually get there because some of you still ask me where Got Goods is. So I will be bringing you guys along with me. We'll check out all the sneakers that are there. Then we'll unbox the sneaker that I ended up buying. Let's go. Before we get started with this vlog, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, RealMe. RealMe, guys, is one of the best affordable smartphone brands that you guys can pick up today. And here's the great news. If you buy a Realme 3 smartphone, or actually any Realme smartphone, from June 28 to July 31, you get a chance to win up to 10 Realme 3 Pro smartphones. Boom! So how do you do that? Just buy the phone within the time period and then go to the link down below to register your newly purchased smartphone so you can be part of the raffle. The link to the mechanics of the entire, for that, can be found in the description box. So let's start off with me bringing you guys along with me to So let's start off with going to the Secret Shop or the Secret Sneaker Store in Greenhills. So you enter via Theater Mall. So that's the area with Starbucks and the cinemas as well as Cafe France or Deli France. I don't know what you call it now these days. You enter through the theater. There's a passageway on the right side. You go there. And on the second canto, how do you say canto? On the second left, you take the second left and then just go straight. That's the area with all of the vaping shops. The Got Goods sneaker store should be just down the road. So make sure that you guys look for Got Goods because it's the sneaker store that sells legit hype sneakers in Greenhills. If you go to any other store within that complex, most likely you will be buying fake sneakers. So this is like the shop to go to, okay? So what were the sneakers that caught my eye? Now, the first one is the Nike Air Up Tempo New York City Edition. So it has, instead of Air written on the lateral and the medial side, it says NYC. It looks amazing. It looks crazy, especially now that I am into the Air Up Tempo so badly and I'm still hunting for a good condition OG. So yeah, this one caught my attention. I almost bought it, but fortunately it wasn't my size 9, and they were selling it for 15,000 pesos. A bit pricey. Apart from that, we also had the Jordan Black Cat. So you had the shades of red with a strong accent of black, the contrast between the two colors giving it so much more life and pop. And this one, again, it was in size 9. They were selling it for a little over 11,000 pesos. They also had, this one just really brought me back. So my family is a huge fan of tennis, especially my dad and my mom. And I remember Andre Agassi is one of their favorite players together with John McEnroe and Pete Sampras. But anyway, this sneaker I think is the one used by Agassi. It's the Nike Air Tech Challenge. So they actually re-released this or reissued this I think a few weeks back or a few months back. So they do have a size 6.5 sitting for 10,000 pesos over at Got Goods. They also had the Jordan 4 Oreo, and this one really kind of tempted me as well because it was actually in my size. So this one was in size 12, and they were selling it for 10,000 pesos. After that, we have the Undefeated Ultra Boost in white. So this is the original Ultra Boost by Undefeated, not the recent ones that are sitting on the end of season sale of Commonwealth. This is the white one with Undefeated in black written at the top of the sneaker. It looks so clean, man. It looks really nice. And they were selling this one a bit pricey for 20,000 pesos, but at least you know that it's legit and it's real. We also had the Jordan 4 Denim Black. I actually featured this in a previous video where I dropped by Got Goods a few weeks back, and it's still there. It's still size 12. And it's still 20,000 pesos, and it's still something that I was thinking of copying. After that, we have the Just Dawn Jordan 2. This is a really limited edition sneaker. Comes in a massive box, comes with a nice leather cap, tags and all of that stuff, but it is hella pricey. Sells, I think the retail price on this is like over 30,000 pesos. So if you are into the Jordan 2, if you love the Just Dawn collaboration, this is probably one of the grails that you guys might want to check and pick up. Not too sure though if it's a comfortable sneaker. We also have the Jordan 12, of course, Spider-Man Origins. Already saw that in the previous vlog. And we also saw the acronym Vapor Max. So that one they were selling for 15,000 pesos. Now those were just some of the sneakers that I saw. Of course, there were Jordan 3s, there were Puma sneakers, there were Ultra Boost, there were React Element 87s, There were BB adapts and a bunch of more other interesting sneakers in the Got Goods shelves, on the Got Goods shelves. They also even had like baby infant sneakers of Jordan 3s, Jordan 11s, and a bunch of other cool looking shoes. If ever you guys have a baby or an infant and you want to make them some sort of like hype beast, then this is your chance to do so. So what did we end up copying? So as you guys can see, whatever I bought comes in this red box with the Jordan Jumpman logo in gold embossed at the top. You have, and this is probably the tip already, it says here Levi's. And then it says here Air Jordan 4 Levi's denim in black. So let's pop the box open together now so you can see what I bought. Boom! I ended up copying the Jordan 4 Levi's black denim. So one of the things that you find in the box is this authenticity card which says Jordan and Levi's are together again, fusing the signature Air Jordan style with Levi's premium denim. These two icons of sport and style reimagined their roots by combining the beauty of the Air Jordan 4 and the authentic heritage of Levi Strauss and Company. I'm not sure if I pronounced that properly. So yeah, you have a card. And then you get to the actual sneaker. Man, take a look at that shoe. Now this is a sneaker, in my opinion, that would look so much better if you beat it up, because the black denim material lends itself really well to scratches and nicks and, you know, abuse, because the shoe starts to have character over time. So I'm excited to wear this in, wear this out, and see what it looks like several months from now. But anyway, you have waxed laces over here, again in color black. You have the denim black material in the familiar Jordan 4 silhouette. You have Levi's red tags here along the lateral side. You have a leather patch here along the tongue, which has the Jordan logo, Jumpman logo that says Flight. And another interesting thing is an inverted writing of Air Jordan at the back of the tongue. You have the, well, Air midsole, but you don't really feel the air on this one because of the tough outsole. Most of the comfort actually, when I'll talk about that in the on-feet review, you get mostly from the insole more than the actual Air midsole. You have the Jumpman logo and that gum bottom here as well at the bottom of the sneaker. Left pair, by the way, has this really nice tag with Levi's and the Jordan Jumpman logo. Of course, you wear this without this one. So please do not wear your Levi's sneakers with this hanging along the side, because it looks really weird if you do that. I almost missed this part. On the left side or on the left shoe, it actually says here Air Jordan 4 and then the size of your sneaker. So this one is in size 12. Now, there were two other Jordan 4 Levi sneakers that came out. There was a blue version as well as a white version. I was really planning on getting this particular black colorway because among the set, this is the easiest to wear. So it's like a dumb reach kind of sneaker that you just put on with whatever you're wearing, and it'll work fine because at the end of the day, it's a black shoe with a gum outsole. Now, how is this sneaker on feet? Like what I mentioned earlier, it is not super comfortable. It is nowhere near the feeling that you guys get if you are wearing like Boost, React, or even like an Air Force One. But mainly because they put a lot of durability and, you know, a thick outsole here at the bottom of the shoe, because at the end of the day, it is a basketball sneaker. Now, you can see this visible air unit here in the middle, but you don't actually feel a lot of the air cushioning, at least in my opinion. Most of the cushioning, like what I mentioned earlier, is really given to you by the insole. So this is a sneaker that you can beat up and wear, but don't think that it is like the most comfortable sneaker you can wear, but it is definitely one of the most versatile. That wraps up our review of the Jordan 4 Levi's black denim sneaker, as well as our quick shopping trip to the secret shop over at Greenhills Got Good. Now, before we end the vlog, let me just do a quick unboxing for you guys. This is a special package which came all the way from China. And I'm not really sure what's inside. This probably like smartphone cases that were sent for review, so we'll find out together. Now, I will no longer use my unboxing knife. We will just unbox this Hulk style and tear it open, because it is a beat up box and we can easily open this bad boy. So let's take a look at what's inside. So yeah, a lot of bubble wrap in it, and it says here manufacturing sample. Wow. So there you go. It comes in this really nice packaging. It says Carlo Ople written on the box. And yeah, let's take a look at what's inside. I'm excited to find out what this is. So we have, oh, it's the icon case, light up notification case for the iPhone XS Max. So here you have it. And then these are the cases along the side. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is so cool. So this is actually some sort of smart case. So you pair it with your iPhone XS Max. And the back over here actually glows with icons. That's why it's called the icon case. If ever you get a call or a text message. So this is what it would look like if there are notifications. So I will be trying this one out and I'll get back to you guys with a review. Definitely interesting. I will be testing this. Watch out for the full feature in the next few days ahead. With that said, that wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys are all having a great week. As usual, have a good weekend. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.
Hey guys, what's happening? Jamie here from Unbox. I'm currently in Tokyo, Japan, where Sony is launching something incredible, but as you know, I've taken up the hobby of building gunpla, so I also took this opportunity to go to the Gundam base in Odaiba. So if you want to see what I copped as my haul there and what I saw in the Gundam base, head to the video on our channel. I'm sure Carlo will put links in the description down below. See you there.